Hey everybody, it's Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Nest Hub Max. I remember seeing this and I thought that was cool. And then they said it was going to come to Canada, or they had no idea of when it was going to come to Canada. Well, it's come to Canada and this is awesome and I am so looking forward to it. I loved the Google Home Max. The quality of sound on that was awesome. So this is just a Nest Hub with the Max kind of style speakers and the camera in it, which is really awesome. I'm just going to do an unboxing here. Let's see. There we go. Take a box. Figure out where I'm going to put this thing in the house. Might have to see if I'm going to rearrange the assistants around my house. Okay, so take the box up. There we go. And look at the size of this thing. Way bigger than the Nest Hub. That would be really nice to watch. Very cool. Standard kind of sticky, rubbery bottom so that it doesn't move around or slide around. It's gonna stay wherever you put it. We've got volume controls in the back, and then we got our kill switch in the back here as well. Very neat. Put that there. What else is in the box here? Okay. So let's get started. Well, I know how to get started with Google Home. We don't need to do that. And let's take a look at this adapter. So the Nest Mini has a new barrel connector, no longer a USB, micro USB connector. This guy also has a specialized barrel connector to plug in, which kind of makes sense. This is probably going to draw a lot of power. This is drawing, can't read, output 24 volts at 1.25 amp. So that's 30 some odd, what? Yeah, 32 watts of power. So it'd be a different kind of beast that you need. Anyways, that's the power. I don't think you need anything else for this, right? That's just it. It's all that's in the box you need. Plug it in. And then hopefully the idea is that with the TV screen, you can use your hands to wave navigation kind of thing at it, tell it next things. Do your duo video calling on this as well. I am looking forward to having a play with this and seeing how it goes. If you have any questions about it, shoot away, and I'll have a review on the site up shortly. Okay, thanks so much.